poem entitled A Godman, you know. Woman them say a good man is hard to find, but good man still the boat right behind before them eyes. Ladies, you want a godman, you want a godman, you want a godman. You say you want a godman. You don't need a gunman, you don't need a obia man, you don't need a chopper man, you don't need a scammer man, you don't need a boner man. You want a godman, you want a godman. A man will make you feel like you was a lady, not left with empty promises and pay babies. Woman, you want a godman, you want a godman, you say you want a godman. You don't need no gunman, you don't need a scammer man, you don't need no obia man, you don't need a chopper man. You want a godman, a god. Young girls, what make you not fight over a man who can't help you in a phone situation? The only thing they can offer is just sex and peer frustration which lead to depression. Me say you want a godman, you want a godman, you want a godman, me say you want a godman. You don't need no gunman, you don't need no obia man, you don't need a chopper man, you don't need a scammer man. You want a godman, you want men, and we have to be the godman them in the society where bring lot of changes to the nation. We don't need no more man to treat woman like them and a dolly. Because woman and a dolly, dolly is a commercial thing. And them say a woman will make man happy. Me say woman, you want a god man, you want a god man. Me say you want a god man, you want a god man. You don't need no obia man, you don't need a scammer man, you don't need a gun man. You want a god man. We don't need no woman to talk about say they want a more gunman than them own. When they need a more man to give them respect and learn to caress them soul and recognize say a God create them on our property. So woman, say you want a God man, I want a God man, I want a God man, I want a God man, you don't need a scammer man, you don't need no ogre man, you don't need a scam, you don't need a chichi man, you want a God man, you want a God man, a God man. Good man still the boat, good man still exists.